Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how to get views on YouTube. This video is something that I think new YouTubers should find helpful because we are all struggling to actually get views on YouTube and attain that 4,000 watch hours and get that subscriber count and get monetized on YouTube. So if this looks like a video that you would want to watch or that is beneficial to you, then you definitely want to keep on watching this. So yeah, the first thing that I think you should actually imbibe or make use of to actually get views on YouTube is you should actually make compelling content that are that are quality, crisp, and no subscriber can resist or no viewer can resist such videos. So when you make videos that are quality, they are meaningful and quality and great, people will want to watch it, will get more views. When you get more views, people on YouTube will actually want to watch and it will get to more audience. Another thing you should take note of is you should try as much as possible to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by adding your subscription button or referring them down to your link to actually go ahead and subscribe. When you actually call their attention to subscribing, then they can actually go down there and subscribe to your channel. So this is something that is so beneficial and it actually helps in actually getting views on YouTube. So yeah, you should try as much as possible to actually encourage your viewers by saying please go down below, subscribe, comment down below, put your notifications on so that they can actually do it, or you can actually call their attention to actually do it if they haven't. So yeah. So another thing for you to actually get more views on YouTube is to actually create playlists. You should create a sort of a playlist where you can actually divide your content into for example, if you make fashion content, skincare, and content creation tip content, you can actually put this into segments in a box. Whenever you make videos related to skincare, you put them in your skincare playlist. If you make videos concerning fashion, you put them in your fashion playlist. In that way, it makes it easier for your viewers to actually grab what your content is all about, and it actually makes it easier for your videos to actually get views or traction on YouTube. So yeah, another thing that I think will be helpful in gaining more views on YouTube is to promote your videos with end screen. When you promote your videos with end screen, a box whereby your playlist is going to appear on the end of your screen. You actually, while uploading your video, you have to ensure that this end screen is used or applied so that your playlist is going to appear immediately at the end of your video, so that this can actually make the subscriber or the viewer watching your video to click on that playlist and actually watch other videos, and by watching other videos it will actually get you more views, and this is actually something good to actually boost your channel. When your channel gets more views, YouTube actually recommends it to a better or higher audience or wide range of audience. So by this your video can actually get viral, or you can actually get the watch hour that you are looking for. So yeah, if you're a YouTuber and you don't know the benefits of making use of end screens and cards, then you definitely want to make sure you go and properly check out your channel when next you're posting, when next you're uploading, and make sure you use your end screen and your card so that it can boost your views on your YouTube channel. So yeah, when you use your end screen and your cards, you actually get more views because you're actually taking that viewer to actually watch more of your videos apart from the one they are presently watching. So another thing I think will help you get more views on YouTube is to actually promote your videos on other platform. When you promote your videos on other platform, other social media platform. So yeah, promoting your videos on other platform will actually boost your view rate and and your watch hours too. So yeah, that is an essential way of getting views on your YouTube channel. So another way in which you can get views on your YouTube channel is by making use of the sequel technique. In the use of the sequel technique, you go ahead and research and find a popular video in your niche, and you actually structure it in such a way that you actually derive your own title from it, the title of the content you'll be making. When you determine the title of the content you'll be making, you are going to ensure that your video that you'll be making on that particular topic is much better, much longer, more click worthy than the ones that have been done before on that particular topic. When people see that your own video is much better, they will click it because it's going to appear on the suggested videos of those popular ones. You ensure that you make use of keywords from such videos that have gone viral before. When you make use of click words from their videos, then it might actually boost your own video or make it go viral or get more views. When your video starts appearing on suggested videos on other people's channel, then it has certified YouTube, YouTube has seen this content as quality, and they are now ready to push it to a greater audience. And another way that you can also make your videos get more views on YouTube is by creating an awesome intro, and your introduction shouldn't be more than 15 seconds. If it's more than 15 seconds, people's attention span can't stay beyond that. When you start making videos that is longer, 1 minute, people start getting bored and they'll just click away from your channel. They'll watch just 15 seconds video and then they'll leave your channel. So yeah, for you to actually get people's attention, you need to make your introduction catchy and worthy of their attention. When your introduction catches the attention of the viewer or the subscriber, then they will want to stay longer on your videos and they will want to keep on watching your videos. Another thing is that YouTube actually promotes the videos of people who make people stay longer on their platform, make people continue using their platform, and people to continue staying on their platform. And when people stay on the YouTube platform, they notice that this person is making people to stay on our platform, and they push out your videos and make it go viral and make it to be seen by a wider audience. Yes, so that's why you should try as much as possible to make longer videos, and when your videos are longer, people will watch, and it will generate more views for you, more watch hours for you. And if YouTube notices this, they are going to push out your videos to a wider audience. Another thing is for you to add pattern interrupts to your videos. When you add pattern interrupts to your videos to spice it up, pattern interrupts something that you use to change your channel or spice it up. You can decide to change the angle of your camera. You can decide to add some visuals to your channel, to your video while editing, to actually spice up your channel. This actually make viewers continue viewing your channel and not get bored, and stuff like that. You can also optimize your video by adding keywords from a popular video on such title or topic you are making. You copy keywords from such videos, and you can also add it to your own video so that YouTube will actually notice it and also push your video out as suggested video on that. When that popular video is on, it can actually suggest your own videos to those viewers or subscribers of such popular videos or channels, so that your own channel can also get more views. And you should ensure that your thumbnails are click worthy, and you should make your, as in, the most important thing in your video is your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is whack, people will get turned off, like they won't want to watch your videos. So you should try as much as possible to invest your time in, you know, brainstorming on what perfect thumbnail to use for your videos, because thumbnail generates more views, like it generates more click-through rates. Like when someone sees a video that, you know, has a very good and well explanatory thumbnail already, they just click through it because they find it like amusing, that what is this content is going to be about. So yeah, you should try as much as possible to invest in, you know, editing, making your thumbnail crisp and click through worthy. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. And my name is Magaji Nusrah. I make content for new YouTubers to grow their channel. I make fashion content, skincare content, and, you know, content. So yeah, I'm going to leave my playlist up here for you guys to watch my other videos on my content creation tip, my tags, challenges, and my must watch playlist for you guys to actually watch my other content. And if you find it helpful, please comment down below, subscribe, and put your notifications on for more videos on my channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It won't take you so much time. Just click that subscribe button right there. Yeah, it's down there. Thank you very much. Till next time, I say bye, guys.